In news overseas, U.S. President Donald Trump says the Iran war will be over pretty quickly, but also that the U.S. hasn't won enough and is aiming for ultimate victory. Earlier, he suggested U.S. operations against Iran could end soon, saying he thinks the war is pretty much complete. He told the media that the U.S. is ahead of schedule, though he has previously said the war could last several weeks. Meanwhile, Israel says it has launched its second wave of strikes today against Tehran. Turkey, the UAE, Kuwait, and Qatar all say they have intercepted Iranian missiles today, while Israel says it has detected more attacks. Meanwhile, the UK Chancellor says the war in the Middle East is likely to put upward pressure on inflation following a meeting of G7 finance ministers.
Lots going on, Andrew.
Oh boy.
The Primetime News Package continues with sports right after this break.